Hello, hi all. Yeah, hi Sambhav. So today we're having this live discussion. If you have any questions, then you can ask. So that's why we're having this live session right now. So we can answer all of your queries, all of your questions. I hope I am audible to you. Yes, I'm fine. Thank you, Sambhav. And how about you? I hope my voice is clear to all of you. Hello, Abhishek. Okay, so basically we have started this live session. So basically there are openings are starting right now. Okay, so before I believe you have a lot of question about the openings and all the things, right? So in the group also you have asked many questions like when the openings are coming and when we will get some job requirement calls. So right now I believe the requirement or the hiring process have been started. So all of you need to just prepare for the interview and you need to maintain your profile on the every job sites and let's say Naukri, let's say in LinkedIn or in let's say Monster that has been changed to Found It and you'll be having this shine.com everywhere you need to put your resumes, you need to make your profile and you need to be prepared for the interview. Right now the openings are there. Okay, so be prepared for that. Sir, I will complete full SAP MM ACC training and along with real-time tickets knowledge. Will there be ACC openings in March and April? Yes, definitely, Sambhav. There will be opening till March and April month. I believe till April there will be some openings will be there. After April, there is a financial year closing will be there. Means financial year starting will be there after March. So at that point of time, might be there will be some delay or there will be some hold in the process. So again you will be getting some more calls in the time of let's say May to June, May, June, July. At that time you will be getting more calls at that time. Okay, so if you are not prepared right now, then prepare yourself, that is not a issue. So you have 3 to 4 months of time, so in the meantime you can prepare your on your own. So you have to prepare and you have to be prepared for the next session, like next hiring session you can be prepared. Okay, so definitely learn about the full SAP ECC subject wise and whatever the things are we are working in the real time environment, those all the things you need to prepare on. Till February, if you are getting if you are completing your full training, then definitely you'll be getting some openings in March, so you can apply for that. Okay, anyone other if having any question they can shoot out their questions. Hello Harun, long time no videos. Yes, I was busy with other commitments, but I believe there are some videos are coming. But yes, I understand that there is a very long delay. Mostly in 1 month, I believe there is 1 or 2 videos are there only uploaded for the regular classes. So don't worry about it. We will be continuing with the classes. Okay, so definitely we will be uploading the classes regular on a regular basis. I believe from next week onwards you will be getting some more classes. Okay, so don't worry about that. I know we have we are not able to post some videos for right some scenarios, so there is actually some issues with that. So let's say right now if you see in the last classes we are conducting the the integration classes, right? So WM and QM integration, WM and PP integration. So basically to like I have told you whatever the like subjective part or whatever the configurations are there, right? So basically what happens when you go to configure a scenario, so for the test cases on all the things you need to configure all of the things, so that will take some time. So normally I didn't find some time to configure all those things. Like we need to look into the details on the different modules, right? So it is not about like in WM video we have to have the, let's say, PP part also configured, because we are looking into the dummy server or dummy system. So that's why many settings are missing. So we have to like configure all of the settings. So that is like a back end process. You don't know whatever what it takes to create a video, right? So you are only looking into the outcome. So that's why um, it is taking some time. But normally in coming days you will be definitely you will become getting the regular videos, means videos on a regular basis. Okay, हारून हम बंद नहीं करेंगे, वीडियोस जरूरी आएंगे, कंटिन्यू आपको आते रहेंगे वीडियोस। तो अभी फिलहाल के लिए इंग्लिश का जो प्लेलिस्ट है वो धीरे धीरे अपलोड हो रहा है ईसीसी के लिए। तो काफी सारे लोग जो है वो इंटरेस्टेड थे इंग्लिश के वीडियोस में। Many peoples were interested for the English videos, so that's why we have started the English video, posting the English videos. So normally gradually every video like WM, I believe both of it we have completed in the Hindi language, and we will be starting the EWM shortly, and S4 HANA is also in the plan. So everything we will be having in plan. So definitely we'll be uploading those classes in future. Okay. Abhishek, hello sir. We are not currently getting any calls on SAP MM. Is there recession is going on? Nobody, there is no recession is going on. Calls are coming. So if you are not getting any calls, then definitely you have to look into your resume. Okay. So you need to update your resume, or might be you need to update your profile. So calls are coming. Okay, so you need to be prepared on that. So maybe you have to look into your resume a little bit more. Maybe there is something missing, or some information that you have provided it is not relevant or something like that. Maybe due to that, if you are not applying for a fresher level, definitely there are many calls are there. And in the, let's say, in the groups also, in the our group also, we are posting whatever requirements are coming in our notice. So I'm posting that to the group. So openings are there. If you are not getting any calls, definitely there is something lacking in your resume, so you need to prepare on that. Abhishek Naik, sir, please video on idoc inbound and outbound delivery. Not sure about the requirement. idoc is a different concept, and inbound and outbound delivery, if you are saying, that is a different concept. Kranti Madhukar, I have total 4.6 years of experience and 2 years as SAP MM consultant. Okay, yeah, great. Kranti, you can apply for SAP MM consultant role where there is a opening for 2 years of experience. I believe if you are having 4.6 years of experience, definitely you'll be having some experience in the domain, right? So you can also add that domain experience to your profile, and definitely you can search for new jobs. Okay. हारून S4 HANA के लिए वीडियोस या कोर्स प्लीज लाएं, बिकॉज अरीवा के डिमांड है मार्केट में। S4 HANA अरीवा के वीडियोस बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेंगे। या राइट, हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं S4 HANA के वीडियोस लाने के लिए। तो S4 HANA में बेसिकली हमने स्टार्ट तो किया है कि क्या क्या डिफरेंसेस है, वो आपको ऑलरेडी एक वीडियो में हमने कवर किया है कि व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन S4 HANA. We will get into the details like what is the new things that is added to S4 HANA. We will be covering those parts shortly. Maybe next month you will be getting those videos. Okay. So everything is on pipeline. I maybe I may not reply back to your comments or anything, but constantly I monitor all of your requirement, whatever you are asking. So if it is feasible, if it is if it is possible, then I try to make a video. So right now, if I say from last 1 month, I was not able to concentrate on these videos, but now onwards you will be getting some more videos or more content in the channel. Okay, so be assured about that, you'll be getting. Okay, Jairam sir, please share some sample resume for support project. So sample resume you'll be getting you can ask in the group. There maybe someone will share you the resume, or else you can get the resumes from the internet also. There, if you need to search, you need to know how to search for the sample resume. Okay, there are a lot of website which are providing the sample resumes. Okay, for support project and implementation project, for all the things you'll be getting some sample formats. Don't just copy from them, just look into the structure like whatever mentioned over there, and you can get a overview from there and write on your own, like whatever things you need to mention, write on your own. Okay, Hari Vijay Kumar, hello sir, hello Vijay. Hope you're good. Heard that more openings will happen on March, and yeah. So Vijay, currently there will be openings are starting right now because there was a halt in the requirement process due to this some holiday season. I say means this December and January. Normally these in European countries there will be a lot of holidays will be there, so that's why the hiring process normally it drops a little bit in the December and January. So now you are getting the calls. Now you'll be start to get the calls, and it will still there for till I believe till April it will be there, and after April there will be a little bit halt will be there at that time. After then after March, sorry, then after May, June, July, you will be again getting some more requirement. You will be getting some more calls on that time. So it's for SAP, we can say there will be regular hiring process will be there, but normally in some period of time it will be a halt like December, January, and March and April. March ending and April starting at that point of time, maybe there will be some halt, but other than that, um, you will be getting calls. Okay. Abhishek Naik also make S4 video. Yeah, that's what I'm telling Abhishek. We have plan for S4 HANA videos. We'll be shortly uploading those. आकाश फ्रेशर के लिए वैकेंसी कब खुलेगी इससे पे एमएम? आकाश फ्रेशर के लिए ओपनिंग तो हर टाइम में रहता है, लेकिन फ्रेशर के लिए ये प्रॉब्लम है कि थोड़ा कम ओपनिंग रहता है, तो आपको ट्राई अपने आप से थोड़ा और ज्यादा परेशानी उठानी पड़ेगी, आपको और ज्यादा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा फॉर फ्रेशर ओपनिंग, राइट? एवरी कंपनी में आपको अपना रिज्यूम भेजना पड़ेगा, सभी जगह पे आपको अपना रिज्यूम अपलोड करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू ट्राई everything by your own to get a fresher job. So getting a job as a fresher, it is kind of difficult. Okay, so normally there are some people who are charging some let's say some bond, they are asking for some bonds, or they are asking for some monetary bonds, or they are asking for some, let's say, for some advance payment also someone is asking, so you need to see about that. So there is a little bit difficulty for getting a fresher level job, so I will not lie about that. So there is little bit difficulty you will be getting for fresher level job. Kranti sir started applying since December, but did received only 4 or 5 calls. Can I expect more in February? Yeah, definitely you will be expecting, you can expect more calls in February. From December, as I said, like from December and January, there was halt was there. So you can say there is a it was a holiday session. So for that there was a little bit less hiring was happening. So right now you'll be getting some calls. Um, Sambhav Jain, before going to bed, I have to start to learn definition about concept SAP MM. So can you tell me, Martin Murray? Press release book, good to understand. Definitely, you can get a SAP press book for learning the concept and all the things. There will you can find the concept and the theory and also the configuration part. You can get it from there. So it is a very good book to go through if you are interested in. But it will be there will be a lot of things will be there, so you need to go to each and every topic. You need to see each and every thing over there. You can get an overview from that. It is a very good book. If you are getting the press release book, then definitely you should follow. You will be getting more knowledge from that. अभिषेक नाइक सर, हमने पेड कोर्स के लिए भी इतना डिटेल्स में नहीं सिखाया गया है, बट आपके वीडियोस देख के सब डाउट क्लियर हो गए। अब STO 5 टाइप सिखाया नहीं था। ओके, यस अभिषेक, सो हमारा वही कोशिश रहता है कि आपको जो है आपका जो डाउट है या फिर जो कंफ्यूजन है वो सारा क्लियर होना चाहिए, क्योंकि आपको आगे जाके अगर आपको जॉब करना है तो काफी सारे लोग ऑलरेडी जॉब में हैं जिनको काफी सारे प्रोसेस नहीं पता है, कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं पता है। वो लोग आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रॉब्लम होता है, तो हमारा कोशिश वही है कि आपको सारा कॉन्सेप्ट जो है वो समझाया जाए, ताकि आपको आगे चल के जो आपका कंसल्टिंग स्किल है वो आपका बेहतर से निखर के आए, कि आप अपने आप से खुद से एनालाइज कर सके, खुद से आप उसको जैसे कि कोई भी सपोर्ट प्रोजेक्ट हो गया या फिर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन प्रोजेक्ट हो गया, आप अपने आप से काम करें बाय योर ओन, विदाउट मींस विदाउट एनी हेल्प तो नहीं कहूंगा, क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग पीरियड में आपको जरूर ही हेल्प चाहिए होगा। तो उस टाइम में मे भी आपको कम हेल्प लगे, तो यही हमारा बेसिक कोशिश जो है वही है। Sir Vivek Dange, sir, everyone is saying that there are no jobs for SCP fresher. Is it really true? See, Vivek, there are jobs for freshers, okay, but there are kind of limited jobs for fresher. I have already explained the scenario. So let's say for fresher level of people, for IT company, if we see for the IT company, they will only means client will not pay for the fresher kind of people. Okay, the fresher people, the salary will be coming from the IT company itself. So that's why IT company don't prefer this fresher kind of people. Okay, they normally they hire some people whom they can bill from the clients. Okay, so that is the only major challenge for the fresher candidate. But right now, if I say one thing over here, so right now I believe for this let's say internship, government is also taking some initiative for like paying the freshers or for the interns who are taking the internship from any company. They are paying some like they will have, means government will help the companies to pay the freshers. Okay, so that is a new thing has been announced in the like in the this what do you say, in this budget session. Okay, I believe that will have a good impact on the company. So companies will also try to take some more people into the fresher kind of role. Okay, so that is a good initiative from the government. Okay, so I believe in the near future it will change the scenario for freshers also. But right now it is little bit of difficult to get a fresher job because there are less opening. There will no jobs. Who is saying the no jobs for fresher? It is a completely lie. Fresher jobs are there, but compared to the experience job, there will be some limitations. Certain limitations will be there. Might be your salary package or salary will become um, less. Okay, or or maybe you will be have to work a little bit harder than the other consultant. Okay, that might be the scenario. And definitely maybe you will be have to give some bond for that. Some 2 years or 3 years of bond will be that, because some company, if they are taking you as a fresher, they are giving you all the trainings and all the things, and they are making you perfect. So definitely they will ask you to remain in their organization for 2 to 3 years. So that is basically the scenario. Jobs is there, jobs are there. Okay, but you need to try a little bit hard for the fresher level jobs, because there are less openings will be there for freshers. Okay, Hari Vijay Kumar, thank you. Okay, Harun. हरून जॉब्स ढूंढने के लिए कौन सी कंसल्टेंसी बेस्ड है? कंसल्टेंसी में आप जॉब मत ढूंढिए। कंसल्टेंसी अगर कोई चार्ज कर रहा है तो वो आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट दैट ऑथेंटिसिटी। उन लोगों को कितना वो सही है कितना गलत है वो पता नहीं है। काफी सारे कंसल्टेंसी जो है वो चीट भी करती हैं, आपसे पैसे लेके जॉब भी नहीं देती है। तो कंसल्टेंसी के तरफ ज्यादा मत जाइए, अपने आप से ट्राई कीजिए। लिंक्डइन पे आप अपना प्रोफाइल शेयर कर सकते हैं। लिंक्डइन पे काफी सारे एचआर हैं, उनको आप फॉलो कर सकते हैं। और सेम विथ नौकरी एंड डिफरेंट डिफरेंट जॉब साइट्स आप वहाँ पे फॉलो कर सकते हैं। और काफी सारे अभी तो व्हाट्सएप के ग्रुप और टेलीग्राम के ग्रुप भी स्टार्ट हो गए हैं जहाँ पे फ्रेशर के लिए ओपनिंग्स अभी दे रहे हैं। फ्रेशर हो या फिर एक्सपीरियंस हो, वहाँ पे रेफरल्स काफी ज्यादा मिल जाता है, तो आप वहाँ पे भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं। तो don't go for the consultancy because there are a lot of things are happening for the consultancy. Pratik Chand, hi, hi sir, how are you? I'm good. Pratik, how are you, sir? After 2-3 years of experience, can SAP MM person get a good salary, and what is the future of SAP MM? So after 2-3 years, definitely you will be getting a good salary. Maybe after 3 to 4 years, you can expect 8 to 10 lakhs of a package. It is a industry standard. And future of SAP MM. SAP MM is a core module of SAP. So till SAP will be there, till business will be running, you will be having your jobs in SAP MM. Okay, so it is a core module. So there will future is good for that. Maybe if I say for let's say till 10 years from now, 2023, now we are in 2023, so till 2033 you will be having a good career option in SAP, unless there is some new business or new entrant is coming to erupt the business of SAP. Definitely till that time you will be getting jobs in SAP. Okay, Abhishek, make video on IDOC inbound and outbound configuration. Okay. So see, Abhishek, IDOC inbound and IDOC outbound configuration. I'm not sure what is the thing you need, but if I say like IDOC configuration as a junior level of consultant or as a entry level consultant, you don't have to get that much of knowledge because it will confuse you only. Okay, in the interview session or in the interview process, if you are saying something about IDOC inbound and outbound and I know the configuration, there will be a lot of questions will be coming and arising that you might not be able to answer those kind of questions. But if you are already working in a, let's say in a company, and you need to have some knowledge on the outbound, inbound and outbound process, so we will be sharing the knowledge. But our IDOC configuration part is a different thing, and IDOC related if you are getting some tickets on IDOC process, that is a different thing. So you need to be like distinguish between these kind of things, because IDOC configuration, if I say IDOC configuration part, it needs to be done by a solution architect, and definitely you guys are not that level of means not at that point, like you need to know the like configuration and all the things. Okay, and IDOC, to configure the IDOC, basically you need to understand both of the system. You need to understand both of the system, like your legacy system and your SAP system, both of the things you need to understand. Okay, so it is a, it is in all total it is a different thing, right? But we will try to cover some of the IDOC parts, and I believe whatever knowledge is needed for IDOC, I have already covered that in the IDOC session. So you can go to the IDOC classes, and there you can find the details on IDOC, how to solve the IDOC errors or how to search for the IDOC, whatever the things you need to know about the IDOC, those kind of things we have already provided. So you can get it there. सर लेकिन एसएपी एमएम में हारून इज सेइंग सर एसएपी एमएम में कितने सारे लोग जाते हैं, अपने प्रोफाइल को डिफरेंशिएट कैसे करें? तो बेसिकली हारून, अगर आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस है, जैसे कि आपको प्रोसेस का नॉलेज है, सारा कुछ नॉलेज आपको अच्छे से, तो आप डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं। क्योंकि काफी सारे लोग जो है वो इंटरव्यू के लिए आते हैं, उनको काफी सारे कॉन्सेप्ट और काफी सारे थ्योरीज नहीं पता है, काफी सारी चीजें नहीं पता है। तो ये डिपेंड करता है आपके ऊपर, आप कितना प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, कितना आपको नॉलेज है उसके ऊपर, उसके हिसाब से आप यहाँ पे डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं अपने आप को। तो यहाँ पे धीरे-धीरे जैसे ही आप आगे बढ़ेंगे, वो वैसे ही आपको नॉलेज, जैसे एसएपी एमएम का नॉलेज हो गया, फिर आपको क्रॉस मॉड्यूल नॉलेज हो गया, फिर आपको जैसे इंटरफेसेस के ऊपर नॉलेज हो गया, तो काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं, आप अपने आप को डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं। लेकिन स्टार्टिंग पीरियड अगर आपका ये स्टार्टिंग है, तो मैं आपको ये बताऊँगा कि आप टॉपिक के ऊपर ज़्यादा ध्यान दें। जितना आपको टॉपिक के ऊपर नॉलेज रहेगा, जितना आपका होल्ड रहेगा, आप दूसरे लोगों से अपने आप को डिफरेंशिएट कर सकेंगे और आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा इंटरव्यू के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से। अंकुर सोनी, sir, please tell us that what is the future of SAP? I have just explained future of SAP. Till 10 years, you can be assured about there will be like no issues with future. So SAP is a very big company. Till the SAP will be there, you will be getting jobs. So don't worry about that. Don't worry about the future. You need to concentrate on the your part, like study part. You need to concentrate on. Okay. संभव जिनसन लेट नाइट में वीडियो बना रहे हो, हमने आपके ब्लॉग्स में भी देखने को मिलेगा, जस्ट आस्किंग। संभव, when I get time, I try to make a video, I try to make content, so that is not related to like late night or late morning or early morning, not like that. Whenever I get some time, I try to make a video, I try to make um, content as per your like whatever askings are there, whatever requests are there in the channel itself, I try to make one video. Or if there is some regular classes as going on, so I try to make that video on that. Jairam sir, I have 12 years of experience in mechanical engineering field, but I want to change my profile to SAP MM. Please suggest. Jairam, definitely you can come into SAP. 12 years of experience in mechanical engineering, that is a very good thing. Um, if you want to come to SAP MM into IT, then definitely you can come, but you have to learn the basic process. I believe as you are in SAP MM, sorry, as you are in mechanical engineering field, so basically you might have all the knowledge of the process. Okay, right now you need to understand the concept of if you are coming to SAP, then you need to understand the concept of SAP and what is the software is all about, what is the things are there in the SAP software that you need to understand. My channel, may I please know what is the interviewer expectation from 2 3 years of experience in SAP and MM consultant? So see, 2 3 years of experience, from 2 years to 6 years of experience, everyone will want to know what is your concept, like concept wise, how you know, what is the things you know. Okay, so those kind of things will be asked in the okay, those kind of questions, like you can follow the interview sessions, that mock interview session you can follow, you can get like whatever question will be asked for 2 3 years of experience. Okay, Tejas Sindhe, thank you for all the support, taking share the knowledge, keep it up, good work. Thank you, Tejas, thank you so much. Hari Vijay Kumar, sir, please make a video that how to solve error by ourselves, like how to analyze the error. Vijay, I have already had a video or content last week, I believe, how to solve the errors. Like it is for only for the dummy server when you're getting some errors, how to solve that one. And in coming future, we'll be making one video for the real time scenario also, how you can like analyze on your own. हारून फ्रेशर को कितना सैलरी मिल जाता है? हारून ये डिपेंड करेगा आपके कंपनी के ऊपर। अगर आप एमएनसी में जाते हैं तो एमएनसी में आपको 4 टू 5 लाख का सैलरी मिल जाता है, और अगर छोटा कंपनी रहेगा तो आपको 10 से 12 हज़ार से भी आपको जॉब शुरू करना पड़ सकता है। दैट इज़ फ्रेशर, इट डिपेंड्स कंपनी टू कंपनी। सर प्लीज़ अपलोड a PP configuration video. PP configuration, I'm not sure what you are asking, but I'm not a PP consultant. So definitely it will be not easy for me to upload anything on PP. If I get to know anything about PP, I will be definitely uploading those video. Abhishek Naik, please everyone do like. No problem, Abhishek. If someone likes, then they will definitely like the session. Okay. Sambhavjan, 16 people are watching, 11 are liking. No problem, Sambhav. Harun, SAP Business Suite or SAP Simple, what is the simple SAP? What is the difference? So see, Harun, basically in SAP Business Suite, there will be like every module will be there, like SAP MM, WM, HR, and let's say SD, FICO, everything will be there. That's why we call it as a business suite. And if you are saying simple SAP, I'm not sure about that. Simple SAP, likewise, no concept is there. There might be different concept like business one is there, business suite is there, and IS process is there. So as per your requirement, there are different softwares are there, or different solutions are there from SAP. So that is the difference. So SAP Business Suite might contain all the things, and SAP, if we say the business one, that might contain like some of the limited modules over there. Okay. Sangram Yadav, hello sir. There are opening available for 2 years experience or mostly for 3 years. Yes, Sangram, there are openings are there. We are sharing the openings in the groups also, whatever we get, and you can search in the job portals like Naukri and LinkedIn also. But right now there is better opportunities are there in the LinkedIn. Directly, some HRs are posting their requirement and they're directly taking the people from there, so you can apply anywhere. So openings are there. Yes, Vivek Dange, sir. Which people have more opportunity nowadays? SAP MM, either R3 ACC or S4 HANA. Whom to first preference? There is nothing like search, Vivek. If it will depend on your company, right? Which company is asking you for a, like they are having the opening. If they are having the opening for R3, they will search for the R3 candidates. If they need for S4 HANA, they will ask for S4 HANA. But if I say preferences, if you are having knowledge on S4 HANA, definitely you are getting little bit more preferences, because right now SAP is migrating from ECC to S4 HANA. So there are a lot of projects are going on. So S4 HANA is definitely will have a little bit more preferences. Okay. Sambhavjin does English communication and business process knowledge along with client dealing helps SCP jobs. Definitely, English communication is not a the like mandatory thing, but if you are if you are going to communicate with your client, then definitely you need some English knowledge. If they are like global clients are there, so definitely you need something. And the business process knowledge, definitely you need that. And client dealing, as a, let's say as a junior consultant, you will not have to deal with the client, but if you are going for a senior consultant or consultant level of work, then definitely you will interact with the client and you need to deal with them. Tejashinde, please make a video on LMTC, LTMC. Okay. LTMC, yeah, we have a plan, but LTMC is basically, okay, we will discuss. There is a like limitation to LTMC, but we will discuss on that. Yashasvi, whether it is good to join a third party payroll contract to hire, or will parent company will hire after contract gets over? No, Yashasvi, after the contract is getting over, parent company will not hire in normal situation. But in C2H position, normally if the requirement is there, they can extend the contract. But better to find a job with a permanent role, not to go with the contract to hire. Okay, so that is better. Pratik Chan, thank you, sir. I got placed in HCL. Your videos help me a lot. Congratulations, Pratik. Maybe if you joined in Noida, then maybe someday we will meet in the HCL office itself. अभिषेक नायक सर, आपने अब तक कौन से और कितने प्रोजेक्ट्स किए हैं? अभी तक मैंने 3 सपोर्ट प्रोजेक्ट किया है, एक मैंने इम्प्लीमेंटेशन किया है, एक रोल आउट किया है, तो इतने ही मेरे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं. Please make some videos on high priority tickets and interview questions videos. Try to upload answers and questions also, sir. So Abhishek, actually these kind of tickets and all the things, these are related to clients only. Okay. So that's why we are not making any videos on the tickets. So if you need to understand any ticketing process or ticketing tools, or need to know about the different kind of ticket, you can join a class. We have a regular classes for this ticketing sessions and all the things. So if you want to know about those process, so you have to join a class. Harun, is Microsoft Excel skills is needed for SAP job? Harun, so Microsoft Excel skills are useful, but I will not say you will definitely need Microsoft Excel skill. But when you gradually like grow in your career, in let's say if you are going to some lead consultant or a senior consultant level of people, then you need to definitely you need to have some knowledge on the Excel sheet maintenance, because you have to prepare some Excel sheets for that. So it is better to have some knowledge on that. Factogenic, how, sir, how to justice with fake experience? I am not sure how you, what you're saying. Justice means, will you do the justice, or who will do the justice? Current scenario, there are a lot of people are there who are having the fake experience. That is a real scenario. But as the like, this is, I believe this is a lack of our process and lack of our let's say um, lack of industry exposure. I believe that is only one thing, because right now if you see, there are no openings for fresher. Okay, many people, they want to join as a fresher, but there is no opening as a fresher. So that's why everyone is following like they need a job, so that's why they are applying some fake experiences. So I'm not sure. I am not here to judge anyone. It is it depends on people. So I'm not here to judge anyone. Okay, so it is their wish. So normally sometime also, um, I also suggest, when there is no opening in the fresher level, definitely you can have some portion of your, like if you have some experience in the domain, so some portion I also suggest that some portion you need to explain as a support consultant, so that might help. But there is a like, there is definitely, I will say, there is a limitation, or there is loophole in the in our system itself. If companies are okay to take the fresher candidates also, then I believe these kind of scenarios will become lesser. Okay, so I will not tell anyone that they are wrong, but everyone is like, they are following the system, they are following the society only, right? Pratik Chand, sir, MMPP integration. MMPP integration, I believe we have completed that, right? Yes, thank you, sir. Welcome, Ajay Singh. All 81 videos will cover all the syllabus of SAP MM. Yes, Ajay, 81 videos are covering all the SAP syllabus. You can get all the concept, all the knowledge from that only. Santosh sir, I'm a fresher. My training completed in SAP ABAP in HCL. What I have to learn to get good salary? So you are in HCL right now, and you need a good salary, right? So good salary means you need to learn about the above things. What are the different kind of concepts are there? And right now there are lot of new concept have been introduced in S4 HANA. So you need to learn on about that. I believe there is a new concept called UI5 and Fiori apps. So you need to learn on those kind of fields, and definitely you can search for a new job and you will get a good salary. Or else if your team members are good and you are getting a good rating and all the things, definitely you will be getting a good hike in the HCL itself. Okay. Prashant ji, I have watched all of your videos. It was very helpful. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, Prashant. Please make a video on support project ticket and difficult ticket. Prashant, we have already covered some of the like concept wise. We have made some videos, but as I have mentioned earlier, also support ticket project you have to join into a class if you are needing some knowledge on the support tickets. Because normally we will not share those kind of things on the open platform. There is a limitation, or maybe we can start any kind of membership or something like that. We will start and we can upload those videos for thing, but normally in the open platform we don't upload these kind of things. So that is related to clients only, so that is the limitation. That's why we are not posting any videos. Means I have a lot of request from all of you guys that to post this kind of tickets. So I will try to post something. Those might be not related to any kind of clients or anything. I will try to post it, but if you need to have a knowledge, then join a classes. Vivek, sir, certification does matters while cracking interview like ISO certification, global certification, or home gate preferences, and no such criteria in real scenario. Vivek, there is no such criteria in real-time scenario, real processes. No one will ask you for the certification till you are having a good knowledge in the process and SAP MM. No one will ask you about the certification, but certification will be added advantage. But you can go with without certification also. That is not a problem. नीरज सर, implementation project में real work क्या होता है? That is customer perspective. Neeraj, you can get the details on the like implementation project classes are there, right? You can get the details over there. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. सर, इम्प्लीमेंटेशन का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है पर इंटरव्यूअर को कैसे हैंडल करें इस इशू क्वेश्चन को? इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में तुमने क्या किया है सर? एनी सजेशन? Neeraj, you can follow the real time like mock interview session. You can follow that. I have given some examples. I have given some suggestions over there. You can get into those kind of videos and you can get the answers over there. If you're still having any doubt, then you can ask. Akash LK, sir, what is MRP a part of SAP MM or comes under MMPP integration? Yes, Akash, it will be coming under MMPP integration only. Some parts are in SAP MM and some parts are in the SAP PP, like the PR creation and like the requirement generation is a part of like requirement generation is a part of PP, but the requirement taking forward the requirement is a part of MM. Santosh, sir, I got to know about your working in HCL. Please inform me about future SAP above developers because I am working in HCL. See, Santosh, I have already mentioned that future scope of developers. You need to know a little bit, like you need to get into the details of the work. Okay, you need to work hard and you need to know the recent concept like Fury apps or any kind of UI5 development, any kind of like BAPIs, baddies, and whatever the workflows are there. All of the things you need to like work on those kind of scenarios and get the knowledge on that. And future of web ABAP developers, it's till the SAP will be there, ABAP will be needed, right? So no, don't worry about the future. Prasanji, can I survive in company by watching those videos? Those videos are enough to work. Yes, Prashant, you can survive by watching those videos because those videos are the concept or those videos are the basic. Okay, so by those videos you can survive, but definitely those are only like standard processes. Okay, in the real time, in the real working environment, there will be a lot of concept will be there. Okay, so you need to just focus on the work. Like if you are starting your work, so till 1 to 2 years definitely I will ask you to concentrate on the work and get whatever you are getting in the like client project, whatever you are getting, just consume those kind of things, learn yourself, definitely you will be going to survive. Sambhav Jain, sir, I should start writing down articles on SAP MM LinkedIn, kind of helpful. Yes, writing is always helpful. I also go with the traditional way. I if I found something, I write it down in a notebook. I write it down. So I prefer it in the traditional way. If you are okay with the like you're making some notes in the laptop or you're making notes in anywhere, that will also be helpful. So yes, Vivek. So for 1 year's experience, how deep knowledge is needed for a consultant? So see, Vivek, for 1 year experience, definitely you need to understand the concept and all the things. Okay, and the other part of thing might be you can tell a little bit of let's say some process you might have some knowledge, so you can explain those kind of things because in 1 year of period of time there will be not enough scope for learn. Okay, so you will be definitely needing 2 to 3 years to learn like deep knowledge of whatever you are saying. So for that you need 2 3 years of experience. Akash sir, you have uploaded videos on GST configuration in SAP. In last interview, HR asked about GST. So see, Akash, actually, I have not worked in any domestic clients, so that's why I am not that much of confident in GST. Okay, so that's why I have not made any GST configuration document. If you need, then I can share you the GST configuration document. You can follow on that. Okay, you can if you can follow, you can follow on that. So in future maybe if I get some experience on GST configuration, then I will be uploading those also. Future of SAP MM, Prashant, future is very good, so don't worry about the future till the SAP is there. SAP mean SAP as a company is there, definitely SAP MM will be there. Santosh, how much salary I can expect as a SAP developer for 3 years? 3 years, I believe you can expect 8 to 10 lakhs of salaries. Okay, as a CTC, you can expect 8 to 10 right now because right now there is a right now if I say if you are in a lower salary bracket, then you can ask for 100% hike also, or else if you are having a good good salary at 6 to 7 lakhs, if you are having in that bracket, then you can get almost 30 to 40% of hike, that much you can get. Okay, so I believe that's all about your questions, right? So we are ending the session for today, and we will be again having one more live session in next month. Okay, Harsha sir, I worked as an end user for 8 years experience in purchase. Can I switch to consultant? Definitely, Harsha, you can switch to consulting role. Okay, so for that you need to get some consulting means work exposure, means you need to understand what are the consultant point of view, what is the consultant's work, you need to understand that. So after that definitely you can switch to consulting role. Vijay Kumar sir, could you please conduct the interaction session so that we get to confident, so that improve the knowledge. Vijay Kumar, actually, I have a plan, so that's why we are having some like memberships. We are starting in our channel. We are starting some memberships. Maybe actually it is not possible to conduct for all, so that's why we can have a membership open for that. So it will be a nominal fee for like for monthly basis, or I'm not sure right now. Maybe we can go through with a membership session. Then in that membership session, definitely we can have an interaction session with that. Okay, or maybe we will be having some like in a month or 2 months we can have one Zoom session for like interactive session with all of you guys. So here only you can shoot out your question, I'm answering it. So maybe we can have an interaction session in the Zoom video, or maybe with let's say with a Teams meeting or anywhere. I'm planning for it. I will definitely post something in the channel, so you'll be able to know what is the future planning. Definitely we'll be having some interactive session. Santosh, I have to connect with you in HCL. Okay, Santosh, you can ping me. Neeraj Kumar, hello sir. Hello Neeraj. Sambhav sir, I made a new resume. Should I resend you for interview? Yes, Sambhav, definitely you can send your resume. हारून डायरेक्ट अगले महीने ही आपके लाइव सेशन आएंगे क्या? Yes, Harun. So अगले महीने ही we will try to have a new live session. Okay. 1 week में एक वीडियो प्लीज अपलोड कीजिए. Normal classes will be uploading in a regular basis, weekly once, twice, maybe weekly 2, 3 classes will be getting uploaded. Okay, right now. So don't worry about that. Santosh, how can I contact you in HCL? You ping me in the WhatsApp, I will let you know how you can contact me. Neeraj Kumar, sir, I have total 6 years of experience, out of that 3.5 in SAP ST. How much good package I can expect now? Please advise, or do I have to look out for better one? So 3.5 years of experience means might be if you are in a 8 to 10 lakhs of package, then it is a good package to go with. If you are not having that much of package right now, definitely look out for a new better one. If you are in a like lower salary bracket, then if you are searching for a job, you can expect like 100% of hike. And if you are in a like a medium budget, like 6 to 7 lakhs of package, if you are in there, then if you are switching a job, then you can get 30 to 50% of hike you can get. That's what you can get as a hike. Harsha, I did consultant course. How can switch to consultant? Keep the 8 years of experience in purchase. Harsha, you ping me on WhatsApp. We can discuss on the same. How we can. So, thanks for your reply on my question. Welcome, Santosh. Shanji, thank you for your reply. Welcome, Prashant. Neeraj Kumar, thank you so much. You're most welcome. Okay. Yeah, good night, Sambhav. Good night, everyone. We will again have one session, maybe after 15 days or 1 month, we'll be having one session. And the regular session you will be getting on the like in the YouTube, you will be getting regular session. Harsha, you can find the WhatsApp group in the description itself. In any video, you can get the description. In the description, you can get the link. There you can join and ping. Okay, then. Balaji, how to get job for a fresher? Balaji, to get a job for a fresher, you need to search very hard. You need to send your resume to everyone. You need to say create a profile in every company, every IT company. You need to create a profile in Naukri. Also, you need to create a profile in LinkedIn. You have to follow the different HRs are there. You have to follow them. You have to send them resumes for referral. So that's how you can get a job as a fresher. Or you can go to like some consultancy also who are not asking for the money. You can go to them also. They can provide you some jobs for a fresher. Harsha, thanks for the support. Welcome, Harsha. Okay, then it's almost 11. It's almost 1 hour. We'll closing this session, and again we will connect. Yeah, welcome, Balaji. So we will again connect on maybe for the next session, maybe next in 15 days or after 1 month, we'll be having one more session, these type of live session. Okay, regular classes you will be getting regularly on the YouTube channel. Bye everyone, good night, have a great career ahead. Practice and keep studying. Bye bye.